Hello friends, sorry for the late uploading the video. It's almost 3 months I haven't uploaded any video. So today we are going to learn about arithmetic and increment decrement operator. This is the 8th video in PHP tutorial. From now I'm going to upload the regular video on the regular basis. So keep in touch and share the video. So also I need more support from you guys. So thank you. So let's go understanding arithmetic operator. So basically what we do in the mathematics like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, similarly we have to do in the coding. For example, here we write addition. For addition we also use the plus symbol. For subtraction we use minus symbol. For multiplication we use star. For division we use forward slash. For modulus we use percentage sign, and for exponentiations we use double star. So let's first start with the basic for calculation. Like here we do it, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. So if we plus the x and y we get minus. If minus the x and y we get 5. If we multiply we get 15, and if we divide we get 2. And let's see this in the coding. Just the one example. Yeah, here let's see plus first. We need to print that value also. Yeah, here if we see we get the 15, 10 plus 5. Yeah, that's the basic for calculation. We can also able to combine those basic calculation, like we first do the multiplication, then we do the plus, and then we minus that thing is also possible in the coding. There are other operator that we call it modulus operator, that is the forward slash division operator, and the modulus, that is percentage sign. Here you can see how can we use it in the coding. If we write like that we get the 7 as output, and for modulus it gives the 0 because it can easily divide 14 easily divided by 2. And in exponential operator, for example, if 2 star 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, like that we get the answer like that. Now here, as I said, we can combine and get almost whatever we want. Like here, if I want the percentage from this value, like I have a total value of 100 and the value of 85, we can easily calculate without using the formula, but for understanding purpose I get the simple value, write the simple value. So let's see here, and let's just print this. Okay, let's see what we get. 85. Even if value is like, for total value if we have 400 or 4 lakhs, then it is not easy to calculate that value. That time we have to use the formula. So in this way coding also help to get the value, exact percentage of total value. So that is also possible. Or even if we have percentage and the total value, we can calculate the value from that percentage. This is also possible. We just need to combine all these operator like plus, minus, division, modulus, etc. to get the desired output that we want. Now this is the simple arithmetic operator. Hope you can understand it easily. Now increment and decrement operator. So basically the increment operator uses the double plus sign and the decrement operator uses the double minus sign. Yeah, keep it in the mind. So we can use in a post increment and pre increment. Like this, here we use if we use plus after x variable, that call is post increment. And before plus, if we use before x variable plus plus, that called pre increment. Same in the decrement operator. So what it do, it just add 1 in a main variable value. Let's see in the coding. Yeah, like that. If we print x here, we get 11. It just add 1 plus 1. It is really useful when we code and use the increment operator. It's easy to understand. And if similarly, if we use post decrement operator, it gives the 9, just minus the 1 from 10. Similarly, if we use pre-increment or post-increment, it also gives the same variable, but in coding, whenever you want before adding the value, you want something to add in that variable, that time we use pre-increment or pre-decrement. That's the main purpose, to have the pre-decrement and decrement. Hope you guys understand how the arithmetic operator and increment-decrement operator use in a PHP. And sorry for late uploading the video, it's almost 3 months, so sorry for that. From now I try to upload the video regularly every week, and hope you guys understand everything. You can check it on the website richphp.com. I also post the link in the description or in the comment also, the first comment that I pinned. Please do check, and please to support my video. I really need your support. I really want to grow my channel. So yeah, and I am also planning to upload the video about Magento, then Ubuntu, lots of things. In this last few months, I learned lots of things like Magentos, learn more about Ubuntu's, learn more about Lamestack, how we use it in the programming, like that. So hope you guys enjoy the video, learn something new, and bye bye. Keep coding.